Just pour the milk into the old bread and you'll be amazed at the result. We're going to put the 2 loaves of bread in the blender and also 600 milliliters of milk, grams of cream, 200 milliliters of coconut milk, 200 grams of sugar, and now we're going to blend everything very well in the blender. I'm going to add 3 eggs, 40 grams of grated coconut, and I'm going to beat it for another 2 minutes. Next, we're going to set aside our mixture. In this pan, I'm going to add a cup of sugar. After the sugar has melted completely, we're going to add half a cup of water, stir and let it melt again until it becomes a very consistent syrup. Transfer it to a pudding mold and use a spatula to place the syrup on the sides of the mold. We can now add our mixture to the mold. Once we've done that, we'll place the mold inside another mold and add hot water, vinegar or lemon to the water. Now we're going to cover the pudding tin with aluminum foil, and once we've done that, we can put it in the oven in a bain-marie for an hour. Now just let it cool down, and until the next video, bye bye.